What's up, y'all? I'm with the Seagulls at the Caprice Motel, WildWood, New Jersey. Day 3 on my vacation. A couple more days to go. I mean, long week. I just got here since Saturday, August 26th. Yesterday, Sunday, August 27th. Monday, August 28th today. So I'm just spending time with my friends. Trying to get some pictures. There he is right there. Hey, buddy. So get close to them. There he goes. There's a bunch of them up there. Six of them. So you get this little guy's attention. That's the best sound. I like seagulls. I can't find it. Right, I'm just trying to give you. Anyway, I'm just got at work. Got a lot more to tell you. I'm gonna head over to Avalon, New Jersey, along with Cape Mason Time Boardwalk. We're gonna video of the washers in here in this one. Also, coming soon, I'm gonna get Aries restaurant. See if we get this little guy's attention. There you go, buddy. Oh, just gotta load up this thing. Come on, you seagulls. It's like merry-go-round. Yeah. Let's get off my mom's car. It's dirty. They're my morning breakfast crew. watch a little bird. It's right there as well. Well, seagulls, I get to see once here. I'm gonna try seeing them. Yeah, there's a bunch, 8 of them now out there. On top, not rivet, and there's 4 more. That's 12 seagulls on 2 roofs. This one's stalking. Oh, it's the brown. Hold on, let's see if we get that on camera. That's the brown one. I think that's a baby one, an older version one, that type of seagull. There's the black crow right there. He's right there. You can barely see him. There goes the brown one. There goes the black crow. Alright guys, let it grow some. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the recording just a second. Once I get a little bit more feed, I'm gonna feed out. It's hard to hold the camera. Zoom out. Alright, last piece. Alright, that's all for right now. Thanks for watching. More videos coming soon, seagulls. Alright, see ya.